I've heard it said you don't rise to your goals, you fall to the level of your systems. I'm excited to show you 8 Google Sheets mobile tools your competitors are using on their phone, between meetings, in the parking lot, or on vacation. Better than you, sitting at your desk. Let's get started. The first thing a small business usually has is expenses. So, what is the easiest way to track expenses in Google Sheets so I don't lose receipts? The problem with most spreadsheet templates is that they are designed for a desktop monitor. On a phone, you want to be brief. So I created this expense tracker to help you keep an eye on your spending for your budget and tax reasons. When you buy something, you just open the app, fill in a little data, enter the amount, and you're done. But if you want to go next level, you can take a picture and save your receipt in Google Sheets on your phone. So when tax season comes around, you aren't digging through a shoebox of faded receipts, and you can easily share this Google Sheet with your tax preparer. When you have tracked expenses for a while, the likely improvement would lead us to the next question. And coming up later, we will share the connection Google Sheets has with QR codes. But first, how do I stick to a business budget using my phone? The expense tracker looks backward at what you spent, but the budget template looks forward at what you can spend. You can set up a simple formula that subtracts your actual expenses from your projected limit. Tracking your budget on your phone gives you the ability to review it on the go while you are making spending decisions or after a sales call. So before you swipe your credit card, you can open the sheet and you see whether you are over budget. If you've already spent too much, you don't buy it. It's that simple. This acts as an accountability partner in your pocket, preventing those impulse purchases from making your small business startup into an expensive hobby. Many small businesses start as a side hustle, which means they're done during busy schedules. So, can I create a content calendar in Google Sheets Mobile? Do you ever wonder how to organize your social media or project deadlines without expensive software? Many times, Google Calendar or the calendar on your phone just doesn't work the way you need it to. The answer is a custom calendar system in Google Sheets. While Google Calendar is great for meetings, a Google Sheets calendar allows you to track the status of tasks and projects. Here you can modify your own calendar your own way to keep on schedule. Plus, you can share the sheet with others to collaborate real time. On mobile, you get a quick visual of your week. You can freeze the top row with your dates so that as you scroll down through your tasks, you never lose track of what day it is. It's a simple system with complex formulas, but it stops things from falling through the cracks when you are out in the field. We've got a great strategy to help save for retirement at the end of this video. But first, since we've discussed some templates and uses for Google Sheets that are available on this channel and our website, it's time to share how you can build your own. So, how can AI automate my spreadsheet tasks on mobile? The answer is Gemini AI. This is the feature that your top competitors are learning to work 10 times faster than you and get ahead. With Gemini integration in Sheets, you don't have to write formulas manually anymore. On your phone, you can, through conversation, talk to Gemini AI as you would an accountant and develop your own spreadsheets and calculations. We've found this very helpful in understanding formulas. You can simply tap a microphone button and say, "How can I use a formula to compare actual versus budget and know immediately if I'm over budget or good?" And Gemini will build the formula for you and provide details on how the formula works. But if you are on mobile, typing complex formulas is a pain. The keyboard is small, and switching between symbols and letters takes time. Gemini AI with Google Sheets solves this. With the formula above, you can see I can just copy from Gemini AI and paste it into Google Sheets. If you are serious about efficiency, you really can't live without this premium integration. It turns your sheet from a passive place to store data into an active assistant that does the work for you. But in order to get the full benefits of Gemini AI, you need Google Workspace. So, is Google Workspace worth it for small business owners? Small businesses need a professional email address. If you have a website, the most efficient way to get professional office software, a business email address with your name at yourcompany.com, and additional cloud storage is with Google Workspace. But in today's world, AI is the virtual assistant you need to stay competitive. Included in Google Workspace, Gemini AI is crucial to developing your business strategy and automating your workflows in Google Sheets. Docs, and the rest of the Google Workspace suite at a fraction of the cost of Microsoft Office and ChatGPT. If you want more storage, custom business emails, and the advanced security features that protect your client data, you need the Premium Workspace subscription, and you can try it free for 14 days with a link in our video description. Go check it out while we talk through the next question. What is the easiest way to share a website or social media with others? Most people don't realize you can actually generate and use QR codes right within Google Sheets to manage your physical business assets. By using the image function combined with a specific chart API URL, you can automatically generate a unique QR code for every website or social media homepage. So imagine you are out with friends and your business comes up and people ask what you do. Instead of trying to share a long website or trying to get them to find you on Instagram, you simply open your Google Sheets app and your QR code file, and you can have them scan the QR code with their phone. You could have a QR code that goes straight to your About page on your website or directly to your online storefront. Before we continue with our next strategy, subscribe today if you want to use Google Sheets for your small business and personal finance. I'm an accountant using spreadsheets for over 30 years, and Google Sheets is all we talk about. From beginner training and templates like the ones we share in our video description, to cutting-edge Gemini AI and Google Sheets, you don't want to miss what's coming next. Our next question will help when you need a loan to start your small business or for a car or house. How do I calculate business loan payments on my phone? This brings us to the loan schedule tool. If you need a small business loan, you need to know exactly how much principal versus interest you are paying each month to manage your cash flow. You can use the payment function right in Google Sheets Mobile to calculate this on the fly. But if you are at the bank or looking at a car, you can plug in the interest rate, the term length, and loan amount into your sheet, and it will tell you the exact monthly payment before you sign the paperwork. I recommend setting up a simple amortization schedule where you can check off payments as you make them or get a copy of this template in the video description. This lets you see exactly when the debt will be paid off right from your phone anytime. Once you start making money and your loans are covered, you'll want to understand your investments. This next schedule helps picture the value of compounding interest over time. How can I track my retirement savings in Google Sheets? It's easy to get so focused on the business that you forget about your personal future. In Google Sheets Mobile, you can use simple math to estimate your retirement savings. You don't need to call your financial advisor. Take your retirement into your own hands and open this Google Sheet to update your retirement balance and then estimate future payments and compound interest over time. As your business grows, you can add more to your retirement every month. Seeing that number grow on your phone gives you the motivation to keep pushing in your business, knowing it's building towards your long-term freedom. To continue learning Google Sheets, watch this video next. And if you're still here and found value with these strategies, please like and share this video with a friend or coworker.